Today, we have another futuristic cars from Porsche. Get ready! The 2025 Porsche 718 Spyder RS, a true embodiment of the RS model nature. Its captivating appearance sets it apart, with a fabric manual folding roof and an elegant ducktail spoiler. Unlike its counterparts, the Spyder RS flaunts a shorter front spoiler lip, maintaining its unique identity. The lightweight fabric soft top comes equipped with a sunshield and weather protector, allowing you to adapt to any driving condition. Crafted with precision, the Spyder RS incorporates lightweight features, such as a CFRP hood with NACA ducts and side blades for optimal downforce. Strategically placed air intakes cool the engine, ensuring top-notch performance. For those seeking an extra edge, the Weissach package offers upgrades, like forged magnesium wheels, a titanium exhaust system, and carbon fiber components. The new Porsche 718 RS Spyder is set for middle 2024, and it will hit the USA market at the end 2024, and will arrive as model of Porsche 718 RS Spyder 2025. Underneath the hood lies a beast shared with its GT4 RS sibling. The naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine delivers a thrilling 493 horsepower and 331 lb-ft of torque, propelling the Spyder RS to a top speed of 191 mph. With a 7-speed PDK transmission and Porsche's advanced handling technologies, including Porsche Active Suspension Management and torque vectoring, every twist and turn becomes an exhilarating experience. Step inside, where performance meets comfort. The interior of the Spyder RS features essential ergonomic elements, including a Race-Tex GT Sport steering wheel and lightweight CFRP bucket seats with partial power adjustment. The cabin boasts model-specific embroidery, and the optional Weissach Pack adds bespoke touches to the headrests and cloth top, with standard features like automatic climate control, cruise control, and advanced infotainment options, such as Apple CarPlay and HD radio. Every drive is as comfortable as it is thrilling. The Porsche 718 Spyder RS, a perfect harmony of captivating design, exhilarating performance, and a functional interior. Experience the best of both worlds with a driving experience that ignites the senses while providing the comfort you deserve. Prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey. See you in the next video, hopefully useful. And thank you for being with us.